Hello, this is Pat Walker, Mission Winners, doing a training coaching video here for everyone. Some foundations for you. Everyone, please remember this. New issues can trade different than stocks that have been out, publicly traded for a while. That is not criticizing new issues. It's just that there can be more volatility in some of them at times. We have to be aware of this. Charts have personalities. Tail bar right here. See where it ran up to and where it closed? It actually closed below where it opened. And then it pulled back and then it lifted off. And there was a small shelf right here. Again, this is a new issue. And it lifted through on good volume. Less volume than the previous day, but good volume, and it ran up. But I'd like you to note something. Do you see where it opened? Right there, that hash mark to the left? It gapped up, it ran up, and it reversed down. And that's a red flag. The next bar is an inside bar, decent volume. The next bar, it picks up, but note the lack of volume on this bar. This bar, it starts to take off, and it pushes through this downward sloping trend line. And again, charts have personalities. This thing really whipped around here, didn't it? So it lifted off on a pickup in volume out of this little pennant. If a person wanted to buy, they could buy right in here, not up here, near here. Volume was just okay. You have to manage accordingly. And remember, the chart had a personality here and here. We can't ignore it. And then it does this. It gaps up. See that opening? Runs up and reverses and closes down on big volume. Now, a lot of people would say, well, charts have personalities. You know, I've got to give it a little bit more room. Team, from 60 to 34, that's more than a little bit of room. You can say, well, I'll just stay with it. I think I'm going to be okay. Basically has support at the 8-period exponential moving average. I'll be okay. See, I told you, Pat, it's an inside bar on low volume. I think I'm fine. Are you? And that's today. It gaps down and drops like a rock. And this is where it's trading right now, real time, as I'm making this video, 1:30 Central Standard Time. This is why we never argue with price. Never. Opinions don't pay, forecasts don't pay, analysts don't pay, brokerage houses don't pay. One thing pays. Price pays. Never argue with it. And charts, as I stated, have personalities. It was loose here. It was loose here. It was loose here. It's giving you warning signs. Be careful. And that's why. Anyway, I wanted to make a training coaching video just doing chart analysis. I hope this helps you. That's my goal, and I thank you.